Fish and worms, fish and worms. Everybody's wishing they had fish and worms. Find them in the garden, turn over a rock. Slip them in your sandwich, put them in your sock. That's fish and worms, fish and worms. Well, my big sister, she don't care for my fish and worms. Big ones, little ones, they scare her to death. She'd make a chocolate shake, I dropped a couple in the blender. And now she's looking at me with bated breath from eating fish and worms, fish and worms. Everybody's wishing they had fish and worms. Do your English homework, underline a word, circle direct object and transitive verb with a fish and worm, fish and worm. Wrap 'em around a corkscrew, twist 'em around some twine, take 'em to the hell spa so they can unwind. That's fish and worm, fish and worm. Fish and worms. Everybody's wishing they had fish and worms. Find them on the sidewalk, crispy as a chip. When your aunt comes over, chop them in the dip for some fish and worms. Fish and worms. Find them in the backyard, underneath some leaves. Make them little dresses, just leave off the sleeves. That's fish and worms. Fish and worms. Well, I like everything you can think about fish and worms.